Any other benefits of growing their own food?
We have trained more than 7,000 students from over 25 countries since we started the center. And we've seen students from all walks of life. Students who are working adults who are stressed and they want to do gardening as a hobby. We also have working professionals like lawyers, like engineers. And you know what's the reason that they want to pick up gardening to grow their own food? One of the first reasons, of course, is to reduce stress because they know it does have a positive effect on their mental health. The second is they believe in being more healthy physically. Now, we all know that majority of the vegetables and fruits that you buy from the retail store, from the supermarket, most of them are grown using chemical pesticide. And what is important for you to know that it's totally possible to grow your own food without chemicals at all, without chemical pesticide. And they want to learn good techniques to do that. And that's why they want to pick up training to go through a systematic process to understand how things work. And the other good benefit of growing your own food is actually you save money.